I want to speak today about the future and to share the framework the Welsh Government is publishing, which will help us decide when the time is right to start lifting the stay-at-home restrictions carefully, cautiously, and with public health protection always at the forefront of our thinking. Today, we are making some small changes in Wales to the coronavirus regulations following the first 3-week review. Some areas of the regulations are being strengthened and others are being eased. But I want to be completely clear. The overarching stay-at-home regulations remain in place, even as we look to the future. The framework sets out a 3-stage process. It sets out how we will know when the time is right to begin safely to ease the restrictions. For example, when hospital admissions have fallen for a sustained period. It then sets out the 7 questions we will use when we consider each option for relaxing restrictions. Would easing a restriction have a negative effect on containing the virus? Does a particular measure pose a low risk of further infection? How can it be monitored and enforced? Can it be reversed quickly if it creates unintended consequences? Does it have a positive economic benefit? Does it have a positive impact on people's well-being? And importantly, does it have a positive impact on equality? Now, as the restrictions are lifted, whenever that comes, it is inevitable that the virus will begin to circulate again. That is why the 3rd part of our framework focuses on the public health response we will need to monitor and to respond to the position on the ground. Now, there is a long road still ahead of us towards recovery to pre-pandemic levels. That will not happen until an effective treatment and a vaccine are in place. In the meantime, the framework we are publishing shows how the start of the journey can be identified and navigated as we work together to address the health and economic crisis caused in all our lives by coronavirus.